Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming account access. This matters because you cannot fully cancel campaigns without Ads Manager rights. Once you log into Meta Business and choose the linked ad account, navigate directly to Ads Manager. Use a desktop to avoid mobile restrictions. You need admin or advertiser role, otherwise, request access now. After that, filter for active Instagram placements so you see only running campaigns. Starting here prevents partial stops and saves time, so make sure your permissions are sorted before continuing. You now locate the active campaign targeting Instagram placements. Filtering by status and placement arrows results quickly. Once you open the campaign, drill into the ad set and ad level to confirm which ads run on Instagram. This avoids stopping unrelated ads. To stop delivery fast, use the toggle to pause at either campaign, ad set, or ad level. Pause is immediate and reversible. If you must remove it entirely, choose delete. But remember, deletion is permanent and might affect reporting. To finish, verify the campaign, ad set, or ad status reads paused or deleted. Ads usually stop within minutes, so check delivery insights for confirmation. You should then remove or update payment methods and consider setting an account spending limit to prevent accidental charges. If ads keep running, recheck account roles, clear browser cache, and confirm no duplicate campaigns exist. If those steps fail, escalate to Meta support with screenshots. They can stop delivery and reverse charges in some cases, so keep records handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.